Okay, so I'm going to be packaging this order that I received yesterday. It's 3 candles and 2 lip balms. I actually just got these out of the freezer. I had it in there for like about 5 minutes. I actually got that tip from someone on TikTok. I don't know the creator's name, so I can't really give her credit, but it was on TikTok. That's what I remember. A tip for summer, for shipping candles in summer, is that she will put her candles in the freezer about 5 minutes before she packages them to ship. And that's what I did right now. So now I'm going to put it all in the box. This order is all Christmas candles. So I do have those in sale right now. So I'm assuming this person is getting ready for the holidays, which is good because once it gets closer to fall, I am taking that discount away. So I'm using this box. It's a 8 by 8 by 4. I'm just gonna put it together real quick. I got these boxes from Amazon. There you go. To wrap my candles, I use this honeycomb packaging paper. I believe that's what it's called, and I got it from Amazon as well. My candles are wet due to, you know, me putting them in the freezer, so I'm just gonna dry them up. Whew. That was scary. Alright, so I'm just gonna dry them real quick. Oh my god, my heart literally just dropped. Okay, so it's dried. Let me check inside. So this is how I like to wrap it around. I like to put it on in the edge and just roll. Make sure I'm pulling it tight. When I get closer to like the middle, almost to the end, I push it in. There you go. Get my tape. I usually have my tape ready, but I forgot. I put the sticky part facing forward and I just roll the candle over it. And there you go. If you have matte labels, I wouldn't suggest you putting your candles in the freezer because they get wet after you take them out, you know, the defrosting, or maybe just keep it in the freezer for like literally like 2 minutes and not too long so they don't get too cold. Because right now, like these labels are glossy, so it's, you know, the water is not affecting the label, but if it's matte it would affect the label, so just keep that in mind. And I always look at all my candles, even though I trimmed the wick, I still like to, you know, look at it and make sure that the wick is a good length and right before I ship it away. And for my lip balms, I have these little bags that I have, really cute, just like my white jars have those little pouch bags. I thought it was really cute to get some similar for my lip balms. And she got mango and coconut. So for the boxes, this is what I like to do, a little tip for you guys. Whenever you are rolling the candle in this paper, there is gonna be like one side that it didn't like double layer, if that makes sense. Like there's one side that if you feel doesn't feel as cushioned, like the candle's literally right there. So what I like to do, so the candles don't like hit each other, whenever I'm putting peanuts, what I like to do is, okay, I'll put my shredded paper at the bottom. The part that has the most cushion, I like to face it outwards. And in between the candles, I like to put some peanuts so they don't like bump into each other, and if somebody's, you know, dropping the box too hard, they can like break. So I'll put peanuts in between them in the part that is doesn't have that much cushion, okay? And if it don't fit, I squish them and put it in between. See? So I squish it and put it in between here. See? Perfect. And you see how it's a little empty up here from, you know, the candles are not really touching the box. I like to make sure that I'm putting some peanuts up there to fill up that space. That way the candles doesn't have a lot of room to be moving around. in the shipping process. So for each candle order, I like to include some complimentary matches. So I'll just go ahead and put that there. And then my thank you card and candle care card, I do like to put it right on top. So what I like to do, I'll add a little bit more of the shredded paper on the top because I put some at the bottom. So once I have my shredded paper on top, and that's where I like to put my thank you card. That way, whenever they open the box, the first thing they see is my thank you card. So there you go. And I like to shake it too to see if it needs more peanuts or anything before I tape it up. That way, if I have to open it to add more peanuts and everything, I don't have tape on it and it'll be easy for me to open it. This one's good to go. Now I do like to stamp the candle. So before I put tape on it, I'll stamp it because I like to put it here and most likely I'll have tape there. And look how cute. All right, so now I tape it up. See, it has tape right here. So if I would have taped it, if I would have taped the box first, I wouldn't have been able to stamp it, and that has happened to me. So what I've done is I'll tape it on the side. I mean, I'll stamp it on the side because I like to stamp it because I feel like it gives it a customized look and the client will be able to see that it's your package whenever they receive it. Of course, cannot forget my fragile sticker. This is a must when you're shipping candles because you want to make sure you're letting the people know, like, hey, be gentle. You don't want, the worst thing is for a client to receive their candles broken. It's horrible for you and the clients, and so you want to make sure you are letting people know to be careful with your package. I'll put it on this corner because on this side is where I'll be putting the shipping label. And this is how it looks. Now, of course, the next step will be to weight it because you have to know how much the entire package, the box ready to go, how much it weighs for, you know, to input that information whenever you're printing out your shipping label. So that will be my next step, is weight my candle and then go ahead and print out the shipping label. So yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and subscribe if you're not already. And see you guys in my next video. Bye.